Study Create, and this is Manpreet. First of all, I would like to thank every one of you because Talk Study Create is now a family of 300 plus subscribers and many more to go. Also, if you're watching the video and you have not subscribed, do subscribe it. Mental health is an important topic. I have started a series on mental health named Be Mentally Fit. 2 videos are already out. Go watch it now. Link is in the description box. So, today's video is really very close to my heart. It is a sort of real talk. ये चीज I have also experienced and faced after 10th. So let's start. So you all must be knowing about the caste system that prevailed in contemporary India and the caste triangle in which at the top were the Brahmins, then Kshatriyas, then Vaishyas, and at the bottom were the Shudras. There was a lot of discrimination based on caste, but with powerful voices of some great leaders, gradually the caste system got vanished, but still it prevails in some parts of India, although the topic is not that. In parallel to that caste system, आज भी एक never ending stigma, never ending criticism and discrimination है about the streams we choose after class 10th. अगर हम उस कास्ट ट्रायंगल की पैरेलल में देखें तो ब्राह्मण्स होते हैं हमारे साइंस स्टूडेंट्स, क्षत्रियास होते हैं कॉमर्स स्टूडेंट्स एंड आर्ट्स प्रीवियसली वो शूद्रास लेकिन अब एलिवेट होकर वैश्यास हो गए हैं. So the motive here is कि आज भी आर्ट्स को लेकर there is a lot of discrimination and biasness. Personally, I got good percentage after class 10th and I decided that I will go for humanities or arts. I believe कि जब आप सोचती हो you decide to take arts as your subject after class 10th, कुछ चीजें ऐसी होती हैं that come along free with that at your doorsteps. जैसे कि unwanted suggestions, criticism, mocking, rude, sarcastic comments और बहुत सारा discrimination. And particularly I was no different. I have also faced the same thing. For an example, parents would also say और society तो बोलती ही थी. Parents would say, why are you taking arts? हम बाहर वालों को क्या बोलेंगे that a child is not so capable, that is why she has taken arts. And people would say, why don't you go for IIT, such good percentage, no 6-figure salary in arts, not IIT, at least go for commerce. Do you want to become a teacher? Do you want to become an artist that you have opted for arts? And some people like very intelligent would cover up by saying that are you taking arts because you don't want to study more? अच्छी बात है, you will enjoy your school life क्योंकि आर्ट्स में तो ज्यादा पढ़ना ही नहीं पड़ता. Pardon me for my words, but I felt लोग ऐसे आके बोलते थे like they were mourning on someone's death. Recently, an incident happened with one of my friends. She makes commission artworks and she got a message by a girl to make a project and she said yes because she worked like that. But the girl who messaged my friend said कि आप मेरा project बना दो, मैं आपको images, material, all content I will give, लेकिन आप free में बना दो. My friend refused, obviously. But then that girl said कि I am a medical student, I don't have much time. Perhaps she was trying to say कि मैं medical की student हूँ, मेरे पास time नहीं है, आप arts की student है, आपके पास time है, आप बना दीजिए. I don't know why people think that humanities students are free and incapable. I believe कि हर subject का एक अपनी beauty होती है, अपनी hardships होती हैं और अपने कुछ easy points भी होते हैं. Talking about humanities, it is a very beautiful subject which requires a lot of hard work as well. When you study humanities, you have an emotional connect with your subjects. You get to know humans, you get to know what actually empathizing is. You have to be practical, critical, put yourself in that situation and then answer. You require a lot of patience, you require a lot of creativity to be a humanities student. And I don't know how come people say that arts is an easy subject. It is just like comparing apples with oranges. दोनों के डिफरेंट टेस्ट हैं। कुछ लोगों को एप्पल्स पसंद होते हैं और कुछ लोगों को ऑरेंजेस पसंद होते हैं। दैट इज कंप्लीटली बेस्ड ऑन देयर चॉइस, देयर इंटरेस्ट, व्हाट दे लाइक एंड देयर एप्टीट्यूड। सिमिलर इज फॉर द स्ट्रीम्स एंड सब्जेक्ट्स। So I believe the problem is in the society, the problem of neglecting things. As a society हम लोग सिर्फ externally देखते हैं. We see only the materialistic prospect of a thing. We do not go into the depth, into the deep meaning of that particular thing. Sorry to say, the sole reason is that our society is manipulative, materialistic and prudential, and that is what we have to change, right? So people say that science and commerce are important. I completely agree that science and commerce are very important. Why? क्योंकि अगर science ना होती, we would not have so much luxuries we have around us, the technology which has made our work so easy. अगर science ना होती, maybe हमें बहुत बड़ी बड़ी diseases, epidemics, pandemics के क्योर ना मिलते. अगर कॉमर्स ना होती, who would take care of a GDP growth and economic development? But इसका ये मतलब नहीं है that humanities is not important. Humanities is important in its own way. अगर humanities के students ना होते, then who would take care of the law, the justice? Who would wipe out the social evils that prevail in the society? Who would prevent wars by making policies? And who would calm you, soothe you by their skills, by their art? So according to me, students of humanities rule the nation by building and serving the citizens of the nations. At this point of time, when there is less than a year left to complete my schooling, I think that अगर उस time पे मैं adamant ना होती and I would have gone for either commerce or sciences, I would have been so much in guilt. I cannot imagine myself on an average 600 days into 10 hours or 6,000 hours spending in guilt, doing something that I don't like, doing something out of peer pressure, parental pressure and societal pressure, then getting frustrated, then getting angry, then living in a guilt of not producing 100% outcome. A gentleman has said, whatever you do, be good at it. Excel at it, be perfect at it. And once you want to excel at what you have to do, it is important that you love it और आपका उसमें interest हो. And once you love that thing, it is your choice. And once it is your choice, be proud of your choice. I am proud of my choice of choosing humanities as my subjects because I completely fall for it. According to me, humanities has helped me grow. The subjects have made me a better person than before, and nothing else in the world could make me like that. I have explored myself. I have learned a lot many new things by choosing arts as my subject. In this video, I really do not want to demean and disrespect any of the subject or stream. I personally respect every subject, and again I say, हर सब्जेक्ट अपने आप में ब्यूटीफुल होता है. उसमें कुछ ना कुछ हार्डशिप्स होती हैं. There are some easy parts also in every subject. Everything that is about is your choice. आपका interest, आपको क्या पसंद है, what you like, what you love, and your aptitude. So take any hasty decision under parental pressure, peer pressure, or societal pressure. And I must say, nowadays arts is not a last option. It can give you a very, very bright career. So at the end, I would like to say, 10 years from now, you and I should have a life that we chose, that we dreamed of. Not a life that we have settled for, not a life जिसके लिए हमने compromise किया था. I am proud of my subjects. I am proud to be art student. And if you are proud of your subjects or you were proud of your subjects, do comment below in the comment section. And if you like the video, do share, like, comment and subscribe. Till the next video, bye bye.